You and I know you ain't about that life.
Drop with me now. Drop with me now.
My loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I am your girl Intisar, Eleanor. If you're here, you're a lover of all things love, sex, magic, hair, beauty, all those things, okay? And I'm coming through with a unit from Urgirl Hair. Y'all just ran up a flight of steps, y'all. Lord Jesus. So I've never done a unit by Urgirl Hair. This is my first time. We're on a first date with them. Okay, so super excited to dig on in, but we're gonna see what it's looking at. Like, yeah, I'm not sure yet, but that's what first dates are for, right? So I'm coming through with a 13x4 cinnamon orange, okay, ginger colored body wave wig. I've been doing a lot of color lately. Y'all better be deserving it. I mean, y'all better be proud, happy, all those things. Y'all better have all the emotions. So this is the orange ginger color wig, okay? She's currently going for about $239. She's 24 inches of Love, Sex, and Magic. Right off the bat, let's talk about how she feels. Beautiful. The texture of this hair feels absolutely positively beautiful. Like super nice, easy to run my fingers through her. It's beautiful. Beautiful hair. So she's 24 inches, 150% density. Let's dig into the cap, okay? This, again, is a 13x4 lace, all right? She has 3 combs up top, 1 at the bottom, lace at the bottom as well as adjustable straps. Will kind of forever. So let's dig on into the goodies that Urgirl Hair has given us. With this unit, we got our band, okay? Which I love anything branded, some lashes. It's a no for me, but okay. And a wig cap. Okay, they also send you like a stock card just to tell you how to care for your unit, which we love to see. So my truth is, I really don't know how I'm gonna do this wig. I don't know what my inspiration is today. So I'm just gonna throw it on and see what happens. All right, my loves, let's dig on in and see what mother is giving. So this is a unit from Urgirl Hair. Again, brand new. We brand spanking new with them. So yeah, this is an orange cinnamon ginger colored wig, okay? Lots of things going on here. This unit is very, very bright. The color is very robust. I'm just going on through and laying this wig all the way down. She's a 13x4 lace front wig. So it's important when you have units of this vibrant of a color that you go on ahead and lay mother down real good. Real good, because you don't want to be looking crazy. You know what I mean? Like, I want to go in, I want it to look good, I want it to look seamless. So that's why it's so imperative that you take your time getting your unit together. So I'm using my Ebon lace spray. I'm going through with the Urgirl lace band, and we're going to hold mother iron. I was going to go through and do crimps, but my crimper didn't want, that's not what my crimper had in mind. So I need to grab a new one of those. So if you guys have any suggestions for a new crimper, bust down, subscribe, and let me know, okay, in the comments, and then I'll grab that, and then we can do that for another time. But this time around, we're going to use our Kiss Insta Wave, okay, with the curling function, okay. It does all the work for you, which we love. And I'm just going to go on through and just add some curls because she deserves. So literally, you just add your hair through that little vent. And then we're going to press left or right. And it does all the work for you. If you like even listen. So I literally go through, do this. I come up a little bit further. Okay, just twirl it one more time. And then I hold it. And then when you're holding it, it'll actually give you a noise to let you know. Did you hear that? It gives you a little noise to let you know that your curl is ready. So I do have gloves for this, but I also got granny kitchen hands. Meaning that a little bit of heat don't bother me, okay? So I'm gonna go on through, complete this look throughout the rest of my head. I'm gonna come back, beat down, okay? And I'm gonna see you on the other side. So I'm going to use my Kiss Insta Wave, okay, and my Kimra Volume Spray. I think I have number 25, and I'm just going to go on through and get this unit together. So I'm just going to repeat these curls throughout the entirety of my wig, okay? It actually did not take me a long time to get these curls together using the Insta Wave. The link for it will be below, so you guys can check it out on my Amazon store. It is absolutely positively worth the purchase. When I just have a last minute thing I want to get together, I use this particular curling iron because it's super easy. So I am beat and I'm back. And again, this unit is going for $239. She is 150% density and 24 inches. So I know y'all gasping for air. And honestly, I kind of was too. Like, as much as I like this unit, she's very big head friendly. I felt like she tangled a bit. And but I also use my Kiss Insta Wave, and sometimes that's one of the effects of it. If I do it in the wrong direction, it'll get a bit tangled. So this is me just going on through and getting this unit together. The texture of the hair is a little bit processed. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? A little bit processed. However, I went through and added so much product and curls to this unit. I'm going to give her mother the benefit of the doubt. Okay? So this is a first date with Urgirl Hair. I'm thinking I don't have enough information to give a solid feeling on it. So I'm going to just shut my mammy mouth, finish curling mother on up, and I'll see you on the other side. So we're back with the unit from Urgirl Hair. Now, I went on through, zhushed her up, threw a little braid in her, whatever the case may be. Because I wanted just a cute little, just a little something, a little shink-a-dink, right, to get her together. Now, again, this is the orange ginger unit. She's going for just under $250 for 24 inches, which at 150% density isn't terrible. I actually don't think that's a bad price at all for this unit. The texture of the hair is really, really nice. It did tangle a bit though. And part of me, sometimes I attribute that to the Kiss Insta Wave. But the truth of the matter is that when done properly, this works phenomenally. Like, and it doesn't tangle. So it could actually be the actual unit that was getting a little tangly or whatever the case may be. Otherwise, I think that this is a really pretty hair. It's really pretty hair. I think the color is beautiful. I would like to go on another date with Urgirl Hair. I always say that, like, I can't make a full, have a full feeling about the company in its entirety by doing just the color units. I think you have to do, like, the natural units and everything like that as well. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back of the wig, okay? She might look a little matted now. Can you guys see? Yeah, so otherwise, I'm into it. Like, you know what I mean? I'm picking up what they putting down. I think that the unit took to the heat very nicely. She does do what I want her to do. I think the lace looks phenomenal. Like, I'm really happy with how the lace turned out. Like, really, really happy with that. Otherwise, I don't know. I think that this unit is done. She is done. I really don't have anything else to say on a scale of 1 to 10. We didn't have the greatest first date, let's be honest, but I would go out with her again. I would go and see if we could do a little something else with her. Maybe she wears a different outfit. Maybe she looks a little bit different in different lighting, and we get it together and figure out what's happening. But the truth of the matter is, if we're just talking about the construction of the cap, which I thought was really great, I'm getting a good amount of parting space, which I like as well. And the lace, love the lace. The lace really, really did come all the way through. I used my Ebon lace tint to get her a little bit browner for my skin tone, and I think it worked. I really, really do. So I don't have much else to say. I kind of gave you everything in the midst of the video. Yeah, do I look like a doll baby? And y'all picking up, y'all know what I mean when I say do I look like I got doll baby hair? Answer the question. Answer the question below, okay? And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.